In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your Twitter or X account private. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Twitter app. Then tap right here at your profile picture to go to that menu. After that, tap at Settings and Support to expand it, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Here we need to get into Privacy and Safety, and then at the very top, tap at Audience and Tagging. That's where we can easily find the option which is called Protect Your Posts. All we have to do now is just activate it, and what that will do, while this option is active, it will show your posts just to people who follow you. And basically, guys, that's how we can easily make our Twitter or X account private. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.